Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi TT MK2 front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a Torx screwdriver set and a plastic trim removal tool. Park your car on a flat, stable surface and turn off the engine. Open the hood to begin. You'll find 10 Torx screws along the top edge of the bumper, just under the hood line. Carefully remove all 10 of these screws to free the upper section. Next, turn your front wheels fully to one side, then the other, to access the wheel well liners. In each wheel arch, remove 3 Torx screws that secure the liner to the bumper. After that, look underneath the car. You will find 6 more Torx screws along the bottom edge of the bumper. Remove these 6 fasteners. Gently pull back the wheel arch liners to expose any additional hidden clips or screws. Now it's time to disconnect the electrical components. Reach behind the bumper on each side and carefully unplug the electrical connectors for the fog lights. If your Audi TT has headlight washers, you'll also need to disconnect the washer fluid hose. This usually involves a simple squeeze clip. Double-check that all wires and hoses are completely free before proceeding to the final step. With all fasteners and connections removed, the bumper is ready to come off. It's highly recommended to have a second person assist you for this part. Gently pull the bumper straight forward, away from the car. Be careful not to snag any wires or hoses that might still be slightly attached. Once free, carefully place the bumper on a soft, clean surface to avoid any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.